In the heart of Jamaica, a legend emerges. Chaos, a towering figure standing at an astonishing 18 feet tall, is the embodiment of power and resilience. His skin, infused with mutated melanin, glistens with an iridescent sheen, absorbing blue light from the sun to render it impenetrable. This extraordinary adaptation makes him virtually invulnerable to harm, allowing him to stride into battle with unwavering confidence. But Chaos's true strength lies in his connection to the planet beneath his feet. When grounded, his immense power is amplified, drawing energy from the earth or moon he stands on. This unique bond is why Chaos chooses to walk barefoot, feeling the pulse of the planet's energy coursing through his veins. As he towers over the landscape, his bare feet firmly planted on the ground, he becomes an unstoppable force of nature. With his extraordinary abilities, Chaos patrols the earth as the ground quakes with each step, protecting the innocent and vanquishing evil wherever it may lurk. His imposing presence commands respect as he communicates with the very essence of Mother Nature herself, and his heroics inspire awe in those who witness his feats. As a symbol of hope, Chaos stands tall, a shining beacon of justice in a world filled with darkness. Chaos's legend grows with each passing day, as tales of his heroics spread far and wide. His name becomes synonymous with bravery, and his unwavering dedication to justice inspires others to stand up for what is right. With his unyielding spirit and unparalleled strength, Chaos is the hero the world needs, and his impact will be felt for generations to come.